Hey guys, today I'm very happy to show you how to make the Chinese fried rice. We will only need the 2 eggs and some green onions and the leftover rice. First, we're gonna cook the eggs. Before the egg get hard, we will put the rice inside, so the yolk can mix very well with the rice and give a nice color. And make sure we will use over medium heat, that will make a better texture. Now we're going to put the soy sauce. Before we turn off the heat, we will put the green onion inside, and we'll mix it well in 30 seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Miranda. I will see you next time.